Hey, this is Canon Vickery, and this is an assignment I was given from the CS 140 class, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a Windows 7 download using a virtual machine. And so here I have my VMware. This is Workstation 10. So I'm going to create a new virtual machine. I'm just going to do a typical because I just want the recommended one. I don't have enough space. Oh crap! I meant uh this is uh this is my ISO for Windows 7 that I'm gonna be using, and so go ahead and hit next. I'm gonna pause while I go get the product key. Actually, never mind. I don't think I need the product key, but I do want to go for Windows 7 Professional. I'm just gonna put in base password admin. Whoops, got that wrong. Next. Oh, yeah. I want to change the location of it though. Um, actually, I want to create a new folder that I want to stay in. I'm just gonna call it VM Windows 7. Okay, get out of that. Now we'll come here, computer, disk D, VM Windows 7. Okay, and that's where I want it at. Now we'll hit next. We're just gonna give it 40 gigabytes, so that'll give me enough room that if I want to do anything else on it, like, I've got space there for it. Next. Yeah. This is about everything I want. 2 gigabytes of memory, 40 gigabytes split. So we'll hit finish. All right. And so now, it's got a pretty big process here of just creating the disk and getting Windows 7 booted up and everything. And once it's done with this, it's going to start actually installing Windows, and I'll boot up a few times. With this process, it takes about, I don't know, 10, 20 minutes. And so I'm just going to let it go through this entire process, and I'm just going to come back when it's done, so that way I don't have a really long video. Alright, so it has almost all of it done. Now it's just starting it up for the first time. It's going to check the video performance, and it's going to log on. And then it has a few more things to check before it'll fully be ready. Alright, so it just finished installing Windows 7 and putting it on the virtual machine, so now we're going to log in. And we'll let it boot up. Alright, so here we are. That's how you install Windows 7 on a virtual machine. Got our Internet Explorer, stuff here, computer. Yep, 40 gigabytes of space. So, yeah, that's how you install Windows 7 on a virtual machine, I mean.